How do you feel about online learning after you go through the lessons with Math Coffee?
I feel like there's a lot of versatility because like it's not like physical lessons where I have to like face the teacher, and then if the teacher asks me questions that I don't know about, I don't have to be stressed like the teacher will scold me like face to face. At least it's still like online, you know. Like let's say if I actually do get scolded, it's still online and I can still manage a bit. And also like there's no worksheets. It's mostly just online work, so I can like firstly I can do it at my own pace, and secondly it's easier lah because I can do on my own paper. Then I can refer to myself also. I don't have to submit. I just have to take photo and send to the teacher.
So how did Math Coffee help you improve your studies on math?
Okay, so like during class sometimes the teacher may go too fast and then I may not be able to understand. And I don't know why, but in classes I'm usually quite introverted. I don't really ask questions that much. I don't ask the teacher questions because I'm scared to like slow down the pace of the class. So like usually there's some topics that I won't understand. So when I come to online tuition with Math Coffee, I'm able to like ask about the things that I'm not sure about. So let's say there are concepts that I'm not sure, then I can ask teacher Kenji. Then teacher Kenji will try her best to come up with her own ways to help me with this specific topic. Yeah.
And some more you are IP student, so can you share with us like what challenge you face before finding us, and then what did Math Coffee resolve this problem?
When I'm in school or like before having online tuition, I really just can't understand the concepts that well. So whenever teacher will explain something, then in the class I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, I get this. Then I go home, then I look at the assignment, I'm like, what's going on? I don't understand. I look at the assignment and then I look at my notes, and then I can't find like the similarity between the two. So like after I joined the tuition, I sort of saw a similarity. So like I could apply what I learned to my assignments. And then let's say if in the scenario that I still really don't understand, I can just ask teacher Kenji and she'll get back to me quite fast.
Okay. So what do you like most about Math Coffee or teacher Kenji?
I really like the fact that there's the websites with all the teaching videos. So let's say really I have a problem with one of the questions, the videos are there and it's very easily accessible, and maybe like I cannot find. Sometimes I really cannot find a video, so I'll ask teacher Kenji, then teacher Kenji will help me find the videos. What I like about teacher Kenji is that, you know, she's nice but strict at the same time. So I know I need to complete my work or else I'm going to get a purple warning at the side, previous homework. Yeah, so that kind of reminds me to have to do my homework all the time. Yeah, because I'm usually like a last minute person. Like even now I'm like sort of doing homework like in the morning before my tuition, like 2 hours before my tuition. But like that purple thing encourages me to do my homework ahead of time so that I don't get that previous homework and a first warning or second warning from teacher Kenji. Yeah.
It is the first time someone tell me about that. Actually, I also noticed that if it's me, I don't like to see some other color on my homework list. Also, that actually will motivate you not to see that color.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh,
I like to see the green or the yellow. I don't like to see the purple. Oh, and the blue. Blue means I earn money or there's a test.
Yeah, you earn a lot of money. I think you and Zero, both of you are the highest earner in this teaching video thing. Continue to work hard for it.
Yeah.
Okay. People say that teacher Kenji is very fierce, like as if torturing the kids. What do you have to say about this statement?
I think the kids are doing something very, very wrong. Cause like after I think like about a year with teacher Kenji, I haven't really got scolded much. It's mostly like I never do my homework or like
first few sessions only, I think.
Yeah, first few sessions because I like had to start getting used to teacher Kenji, so I got scolded a little bit maybe. But after that, you know, I haven't really got scolded much. So yeah, I think those kids are really doing something very wrong and they need to correct themselves. I don't think it's teacher Kenji being fierce and torturous.
Okay, I think overall I collected so many video testimonials. I think most of it is as long as never complete my homework, 来了.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So how much have you improved? Okay, you can either say a great jump or you can say that like, oh, I hated math in the past, but blah blah blah. Yeah.
I usually do pretty bad for midterms. I don't know why, but midterms I will usually maybe like for Sec 1 it was a fail, for Sec 2 it was a just pass. But EO wise I'll tend to do better. But for Sec 1 I had remedial in school, just remedial, pure remedial. So after I joined Math Coffee, like with all the concepts, with all the better understanding of the concepts and everything, right, I had a big jump from midterms being just passed to a 64 out of 80. Actually 67 if I never minus all the accuracy points. So yeah, it was a very big jump for me. Yeah. I was kind of shocked also. I was like, why has paper science become so easy? You know, yeah.
And now you're actually faster than school, right?
Yeah. I find myself being faster than school also. So that's a good thing.
Okay, so the last question is, what was your concern and skepticism you had before engaging Math Coffee for online tuition?
Oh, I actually talked about this with like my friends at the chalet. Because when you send me the form, right, like the form that, you know, when you sign up that form, she will tell like, when you like acknowledge this, right, if you don't submit homework for 3 times, your parents will be informed and you'll be kicked out of this tuition. Like there was a long note like saying all the warnings and everything. I got so scared. I told my mom, I was like, Ma, I a bit scared of her. So can we change? I a bit scared. Then yeah, I attended the first lesson. So the first 2 hours then I was like, Ma, actually not that bad lah. It's okay. It's manageable. So at the start I was like very scared that I will do something wrong and get kicked out, because the before I even joined the tuition, I already saw that long note saying all the warnings and everything, like, first time you'll get a stern warning, second time blah blah blah, then third time you'll get kicked out.
Something like a commitment letter lah.
Yeah, that one, yeah, the commitment letter. Yeah, I remember that.
Oh, I didn't know. Actually, you know that commitment letter, okay, 99% of the students actually when they first started in, they all got filled up. I only got 2 students who refused to fill up the form. Yeah, so in the end I never take in the 2 students. Because my theory is I also want to qualify the students. If 如果他连填那个 form 他都没有那个 effort to put in 我觉得也是很难的啦。Because online is very convenient and everything, but then still need a little bit of what's that called? Definitely, I feel that it's 70% effort from you, 30% is from my side. Yeah, so if that 70% doesn't come from you 我多厉害教也是没有用的。Yeah, correct. Good. Okay.